my pillow, and they're calling for rain. It feels darker in here than it did yesterday. There's bones in the closet, they came out to play, but I'm way too tired to entertain them today. They want me to surrender, and I could be selfish, give up forever. But then I remember